welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well in this pandemic time. It's really very important to take precautions. As we all know, we are in this situation. Until everything gets back to normal, keep yourself healthy and safe. Loreal Professionnel range Serum Expert. I've used this product months ago, empty now, and I have the older version and the newer version. The packaging has changed, obviously. So on the top it says Serum Expert and this says Loreal Professionnel Paris. I have really something bad to say about one product, and that is this one. Shampoo, no matter do whatsoever, it does not foam up like any other shampoos, like any other shampoos. It does not foam up. And also it says freeze control, but no, it did not. You know what, you try so many products and you just remember one thing, that this is good for you, you're repurchasing it again, or you just block that product in your mind and remember that you're not rebuying this particular. I hope this does not exist anymore. If you do, if you see, just don't put your hands on this, because there's a newer version of this, so go ahead and buy this, because it does not do what you expect it to do. Just give you an idea on what products to buy. I bought all of these. This was gifted from my friend. Thank you, girl, if you're watching this. Hi, I hope you're doing well. And this, so I bought these two together. What do you expect? What do you want when you're taking a bottle of shampoo and when you're in your shower, taking a bath, and you're washing your hair, it to be clean, smelling good, and leaving soft and smooth, all the things. This does not. I'm sorry to say. But I have to be honest. I mean, there's no point saying only good things, because I believe you guys should know the pros and cons of both. So therefore, this is a big no-no. Something comes out good after bad situation.
Next coming up is
Expert Pro Keratin LISS Unlimited Smoothing Shampoo for Rugless Hair. It's a professional shampoo. So with that said, here is a new one I bought immediately because this one, when you have the bad product and you just want to get rid of it, you just use tons and tons of it so that it gets empty. So this is how I use this. This is a good one. All of these new range is really good ones. It's not as intense nourishing as this one, because I'm coming to this. I'm not saying it's bad, but if your hair is really damaged and you're expecting this shampoo to perform on that level, I'm sorry, it might not. It depends on your hair type. It depends on your hair situation, how your hair is more damaged or frizzy. So it depends on your hair texture. If you have already like soft, naturally soft, smooth, proper normal hair, I think this will work on that hair. So don't expect dull to shiny hair. No, it can't. I mean, no shampoo can do that. You have to go to a certain process, certain treatments, and then you can get your damaged hair to a proper situation. Do a research before you buy. You know your hair best, you know your skin best, you know your body best. So just analyze going through if you have dandruff. And there's one more product from the same range for anti-dandruff, but I don't hold it. But I've read the review of it, which I can put the picture right here. This one right here. That shampoo is to treat your scalp, and using that shampoo can make your hair dry. So I was confused. shampoos are created and formulated in a different way, performing on different types of problems for the hair. So let's see what this product has to say. This is Intense Smoothing Shampoo enriched with keratin oil complex, straightening for keratin and Nutri-Protective Oil
of QQE
and Evening Primrose. Hair appears frizz-free for up to 4 days, and it said use normally as we use on wet. They do not mention for how long you have to wear the shampoo on your hair. I would suggest at least keep it for a minute so that it works on your hair, and then you can wash it off. I would rate this 4 on 5.
Next coming up,
I've been coloring my hair since 10 years, and the color has to be there in my hair, otherwise it feels like it's not my hair. My hair is naturally soft and smooth and whatever that texture, but it becomes unmanageable sometimes. I'm irritated because it goes from here and here always, so I want my hair to sit at one place. So the color really helps to, you know, give that texture. If I want to pull my hair, if I want to pop my hair sideways, it just gives the volume, and it just sits at a proper place. I just love coloring my hair. That's my only thing, that it has to be there, otherwise no, I can't feel myself. It just locks in the color,
also preventing the color from fading away.
I think I would give this a 4 on 5. I'm really blessed to have proper hair because my dad's side hair and skin is really good. They're straight and they're soft. Let's see what this product has to say. Color Radiance Protection Shampoo specifically formulated for colored hair, powered by AOX technology. A potent cocktail of UV tocopherol derivatives, panthenol and euhydroxypyridine. Sorry guys if I'm pronouncing this wrong, I'm really bad at it. So moving on,
Hair fiber
protected, and color radiance is enhanced. While gently eliminating residue, enhancing shine, hair looks instantly softer and shinier right down to the tips. So we all know how to use shampoo. Spread evenly through wet hair, lather and rinse. In case of contact with eyes, rinse them immediately. And there's also one more thing, that Siri Expert is committed to helping the nature redesigned bottle, lighter packaging, 20% less plastic per ml as compared to the 2015 version of this product. Wow, that's really good. If your hair is colored, then please do use this shampoo, and also comment down below if you already have used this. Do you like it or not? Please do comment below and let me know. Next up, my favorite. Before saying anything, I'm going to give it 5 on 5. This is the Lipidem Absolute Repair Shampooing Instant Resurfacing Shampoo. Again, formulated for a different reason, for damaged hair. Helps reduce the signs of damaged hair, leaving the hair stronger and smoother. You also have to watch out the quantity of the product that you're using, for how long you are using on your hair, and the technique that you use. This is my favorite shampoo. Please go ahead and buy this shampoo, and also don't forget to buy this one, which also I'm going to review in my next video. I'm going to try and show how it works. So yeah, stay tuned. The Lipidem Absolute Repair enhances the lipid ceramides, phytokeratin and lactic acid. Lipids is the outer layer of the hair, which consists of fatty molecules. I'm just going to read out what it says. Instant resurfacing shampoo for very damaged hair. You hear that? Very damaged hair. Hair is transformed with more resistance, softness and shine as the repair when followed with the Absolute Repair Lipidem conditioner and leave-in. It makes your hair softer and smoother once you use it, and I'm really happy with the results. So thank you so much guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment below, do considering subscribe, and hit the bell icon right there and that would mean the world to me. What are your opinions on using these products? If you have already used it, please let me know in the comments below. Until then, keep washing your hands. Bye!